Hello everyone. There is a special announcement from the UPSC. UPSC is inviting applications for the post of the principals. There are 124 vacancies. Among 124, for the unreserved category, 69 vacancies are there. Among that, 37 for the male and 32 for female. And economically weaker sections, for them 11 vacancies are there, 7 for male and 4 for female. Other than this, for OBCs, vacancies are 18, 7 for male and 11 for female. For SC category, 16 altogether vacancies, whereas 13 for male and 3 for female. And for ST category, total 10 vacancies are there, whereas 8 for male and 2 for female. Among 124 vacancies, 7 vacancies are reserved for the candidates, those who belong to the PWBD category. In that category, the blind, low vision, deaf, hard of hearing, they all will be falling. Other than that also, locomotor disability including cerebral palsy, leprosy cured, dwarfism, acid victims. Other than that also, many of them are there, those who are falling under this category. Those who are having both the legs got affected, both the arms got affected, one leg affected or one arm affected, both legs, both arms affected, one leg, one arm affected. Other than that, leprosy cured, cerebral palsy, as well as muscular dystrophy, acid attack victims, they all will be falling under this category. Other than that, intellectual disability, specific learning disability, mental illness, multiple disabilities, those who are having, all are falling under that category only. Now I'm coming about the pay scale. Naturally, pay scale is too good. Level 12 in the pay matrix according to the 7th Pay Commission. An age limit for the unreserved as well as economically weaker sections, 50 years. For the OBC category, it is 53 years. And for the SC and ST category, that is scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category, it is 55 years. And for the PWBD candidates, plus 10 years, it will be till 56 years. And required qualification, certainly master degree, as along with that B.Ed. And along with that, the teacher must be having at least 10 years experience either as a vice principal or a TGT or a PGT. And it is preferable if they are having any sort of administrative experience. So I will request all the teachers, those who are falling in this category according to the age as well as according to the required qualification, must apply for that. It's a golden opportunity for you and time is very short. Coming Friday is the last date. So day after tomorrow, that means. So you please, those who are willing to apply, please apply immediately. Thank you. Wish you all the best, those who are appearing for. And if you are having any sort of queries regarding this, you can come to the comment box. I'll be there to help you always. Thank you so much for watching.